Alex, it's great to talk to you. I'm really excited to be chatting about the E1, the Electron E1 processor that we a few months ago launched. So exciting to see the 10 to 100 times improvements in energy efficiency that we get with this thing in action in some of BrightAI's use cases through the partnership that we've developed here. So,
Yeah, man, it's we've been on this journey together, to make this happen. It's a really exciting moment. From BrightAI's side, I mean, this energy efficiency isn't optional. Our customers are monitoring, real world environments like water pipelines, power lines, gas compressors in these remote areas where you just don't have access to like lots of bandwidth and power for doing these things, and to make AI work in situ out on those assets, like on the pipeline, on the power pole, those things you need compute that's both powerful and efficient. And that's why the Electron E1, it literally makes that possible starting today.
yeah, and that's really because we're so different. If you take what we're doing and put it next to a CPU, it's like unrecognizable. We've developed a completely new architecture built for efficiency, built for performance to bring the value of that edge AI to life. And it's that plus our software story. We make it super easy to get started, build applications like the ones that you're running on your devices across those really cool use cases in critical infrastructure. And the software is really what, that's the magic that makes the chip go. And that's how we get the energy efficiency for a really broad class of use cases. So I know that you've already deployed some devices built around E1. I mean, what are you learning from the devices that you have in the field?
I mean, I can't overstate how cool it is to be, running advanced AI locally in the field, not just in theory, but like on these real assets. I mean, our customers are trying to detect faults, leaks, breakdowns in this infrastructure that we all depend on in minutes instead of weeks. And, before it's just not possible to do that. You can't, lift all this data and bring it off to the cloud and compute it in some data center somewhere. So, integrating the Electron E1 like takes it to a totally different level. We can literally run all of the observability and this complex detection on the devices, on these sensors sitting in these real world environments. And that just makes it like much lower cost, makes it possible in the first place, massively more reliable, and enables us to go monitor these environments that we depend on that are super remote. So it's incredible. And I know that for Electron E1, it's just like, that's just one of the surface areas. It's really exciting. But talk a little bit about, all the other places you see the architecture having an impact.
There's just so many areas where we can step in, bring to bear this energy efficiency advantage. Leveraging the software story. I mean, you have general purpose. So we can do signal processing, we can do edge AI, we can do the real-time analytics. And that's so important for critical infrastructure applications. We also have a huge play in space and defense applications where swap optimization is critically important for a lot of those use cases. And so we take things and make them 10 times more energy efficient. In some cases, 100 times more energy efficient than what they're using today. It's transformative. It's entirely new applications become possible in that area. Robotics, automotive, there's so many areas where we can bring the power of edge AI and general purpose computing with extreme efficiency to life. And that's Electron E1. That's what we're doing with Electron E1.